Welcome to my video class. Let us learn about phrases. These are very useful to communicate effectively both written and spoken language. So, what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of related words within a sentence. In common usage, we use proverbs to give fixed expressions. A phrase can be found at the beginning, middle, and end of the sentence. A phrase may not contain a subject or a verb or both. Let us see some regularly used phrases in English. First phrase, thank you so much. This phrase is used to thank someone. For example, thank you so much for the help, and thank you so much for giving your book. This is the best way to express your thanks in a formal way. Second phrase, I really appreciate. This phrase is used to thank someone. Let us understand with an example. Thank you so much for cooking me dinner. I really appreciate it. Third phrase, excuse me. This phrase is used politely when someone blocking your way. Let us see the examples. Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? Fourth phrase, I'm sorry. This phrase is used to apologize. Let us see the examples. I'm sorry for being so late. I'm sorry for the mess. I wasn't expecting anyone today. Let us see fifth phrase. Hello, I am Raju. And you? This is an informal greetings. This phrase is used when you meet new friends. Sixth one. Nice to meet you. This phrase is used in a polite manner. Let us see character wise. Character A. Hello Raju, I am Chandini. B responds in this manner. Nice to meet you, Chandini. Again, a character A says, nice to meet you too. Seventh phrase, where are you from? This phrase is used to find out which place someone is from. Let us see the example. Nice to meet you, Raju. So, where are you from? B responds in this manner. I am from Visakhapatnam. Eighth phrase, what do you do? This phrase is used to know what he does for a living, like job. Let us see an example. Character A says, what do you do, Chandan? B responds in this manner. I work at Vizag Harbour in Customs Department. Ninth phrase, what do you like to do in your free time? This phrase is used to know about what he does for a living. Let us see an example. Character A. So Chandan, what do you like to do in your free time? B responds in this manner. I love to read and to do garden. 10th phrase. What is your phone number? This phrase is used to know their phone numbers. You can ask in this manner like, can I get your phone number? Or else, what is your phone number? 11th phrase. Could you repeat that please? This phrase is used to repeat or to say again. Let us see an example. Could you please repeat that? 12th phrase. I don't understand. This phrase is used when you don't understand what someone means. Let us see an example. Sorry, I don't understand. English seems very confusing. 13th phrase. I am learning English. This phrase tells people that English is not your native language. Let us understand with an example. My name is Swati and I am learning English. 14th phrase. That sounds great. If you like an idea, you can respond with these phrases like. Let us see an example. Character A says, my mother is preparing chicken curry this afternoon. B responds in this manner. That sounds great. 15th phrase. Oh, never mind. This phrase is used when situations doesn't matter or just forget it. Let us see an example. Character A says, are you going to the grocery store today? B responds in this manner. No, I am not. Again character A says, oh, never mind, it's okay. All these are very simple phrases commonly used in our life. Hope you understood. Thank you. Well